Carly.
I'm Miss Silvana.
And welcome to our summer reading program, Tales and Tales. And today we're ready to have fun with Activity 1 from your free Grab and Go activity kits.
A special thanks to our friends of the Buckeye Public Library for sponsoring this free kit.
That's right. If you don't already have a kit, you can pick one up at the Downtown Library, Coyote Branch, or the Bookmobile. Visit our website at buckeyeaz.gov/library for hours and locations.
This week's theme is Animals of the Forest.
That's right. Now, a forest is a large area filled with many trees. Forests grow in many parts of the world. They provide timber, food, sanctuary to animals, wind and water control, and much more.
Some animals that live in the forest include bears, moose, woodpeckers, squirrels, and foxes, just to name a few.
And today, for our activity, we're going to show you how to do Happy Fox Sees You craft.
The supplies you will need this week from your kit are scissors,
your Happy Fox Sees You template,
the watercolor little box here,
and glue. Alright, if you grab your packets from your Grab and Go kit and turn to page 8, you'll find instructions for your Happy Fox Sees You craft. So the first thing you'll need is your template, so go ahead and grab that and then cut out all of the pieces from your template. This line you want to cut right across here so that you'll be left with a piece that looks like this, and cut out all the pieces and cut out the holes for the eyes. And once you're done cutting everything out, you can use your watercolors and paint your fox however you'd like. I painted mine orange with pink ears. Next, you'll need these two pieces here. Now you're going to want to put a little dab of glue on the top of each one and on the bottom of each one. And then you're going to glue them to the back of the fox on the side of the eyes, like this. You're going to be sliding a paper in between there, so you want to make sure that you just put glue at the top and glue at the bottom. Okay?
Good.
Now, once you've done that, you're ready to slide your eyeballs in. So you can flip it over. You want your eyeballs facing the same way as the fox. So you'll slide it through like this on both sides. And then turn it around. And then you've got your fox eyeballs, and you can move them around like this.
That is cool, Miss Carly. Love that little fox.
Thank you. Once you've completed your activity, take a photo of your project and email it to library@buckeyeaz.gov to earn 15 points towards your end of summer reading goal of 1,000 points so you can earn prizes. Or you can bring it into the library or Bookmobile to earn 25 points.
Just for watching today's video, you will get 20 points by entering the code above at maricopacountyreads.org.
We hope you guys had so much fun with making your Happy Fox Sees You craft. Make sure to check out all the other fun activities in your packet about animals of the forest, including recommended books, definitions, reflection questions, games, and more. See you guys next week.
See you guys.